Welcome on this February 16th, the snow conditions report. And, last week I was really excited because it was the first time in a long time that Southwest Lower Michigan was in play for some decent, playing in the snow. Snowmobilers, once again, you're going to have to put that trailer on and head to the north, and maybe a good distance to the north if you want to take advantage of some really good snow. Now, this is updated. This is a snow cover map throughout Lower Michigan. Look at what 3 days of above average temperatures, above freezing temperatures has done to the snowpack. Earlier in the week, we had 10 inches of snow in Grand Rapids on the ground. Now we're down to a measly 3 inches, and you can start to see some open patches as well. Southwest Lower Michigan, you're out of play right now in terms of any kind of snowmobiling. If you go in the woods, maybe you can do a little snowshoeing and some cross-country skiing. The slopes, downhill skiing, you're just fine. Snow depth, you can see just how bad the warm temperatures have really eroded the snowpack, and at least today, it looks like temperatures will be cold enough. We're not going to melt much more snow, and that's also going to be the case much of the weekend, especially in the northern parts of the state. Snow depth, about 7 inches in Traverse City, about 4 inches in the Grayling area, 5 inches in Gaylord. Now, if you want to go snowmobiling, Northwest Lower Michigan, I read some of the reports. It looks like west of Cadillac, we're still all right. You'll certainly, when you cross roads or go in the gas stations, you'll be on bare pavement, so there goes your carbides. But nonetheless, up around the Jordan Valley area, Moose Jaw, you should be all right. And decent snow once again being reported, especially M28 to the north. 20 inches being reported in Newberry, 18 in Sault Ste. Marie, and still right around 30 inches in the Munising area, so looking good there. A little bit of good news over the weekend. We're not going to lose much in the way of snow. The snow is primarily going to be later Saturday night, about a 1 to 3 incher, probably closer to 1 inch in the Grand Rapids area, but 2 to 3, especially Muskegon along the lakeshore up to the north, and that also includes much of the UP as well. Take advantage of it. We're going to get, all the snow is going to be gone across Lower Michigan come, I would say, Monday and Tuesday. We have a pretty good rain event heading our way. The potential of some heavy rain along with some warm temperatures. So any snowpack across Lower Michigan is going to be gone. It looks like it really depends where a cold front sets up or a stationary front. I'm hoping enough cold air will reside across the UP that we don't melt the snowpack. It's just one of those wait and see kind of things. So here's the latest 10-day forecast, and you can see not much really heading our way across Lower Michigan, but kind of hopeful though across the UP, especially the lake belt areas. Marquette forecasting about 8 inches through the 18th. Of February. Actually, that shouldn't say the 18th. That should actually go well into the end of February. And we're looking at 6 inches in Sault Ste. Marie. So it still looks like the UP is going to be in play right through the end of the month. High temperatures this weekend, 20s generally to the north on Saturday, 30s off to the south. Will be right around the low to mid 30s, it looks like, with sunshine expected to return on Sunday. So that means some more melting snow across the Lower Michigan, but up to the north, remains in the 20s across the UP. Now, pushing forward, that's the big question. I still think March is going to be kind of a wintry month, and I also think that we're going to see at least one, if not two, decent snow events, not lake effect, but full-blown snowstorms here across Lower Michigan. All right, 8 to 14-day outlook. Yeah, this doesn't look good. We're looking at, this should be all the way through actually March 2nd, I'm sorry, 23rd through March 2nd. Average highs right around 37 degrees. Above average temperatures expected. Also above average amounts of precipitation. Likely most of that would be in the form of rain. And here's what it looks like in terms of the forecast. We're looking at going beyond that. March does look like a cold month overall. Taking it right through the 12th of March. Cold air should return, and hopefully that will bring back some snow as well. So if you're tackling or doing some snowmobiling, some skiing this weekend, have fun and be safe.